This only requires maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-step no makeup. If you're new to my channel, I would like to formally welcome you. If you're not new here, welcome back and thank you for watching. I just got out the shower.
You wanna know the rules?
We're gonna take off my little silky. When I go to meetings, I usually try to not put so much makeup on. I had a tutorial where I put how I apply my lashes. I'll put it right here if you guys want to know. I start off everything with skincare oil. If I'm not using it, just check my temperature because something is off. If I'm being completely honest, I don't really put on any skin makeup for this look. A secret to this makeup, you guys, I'm never gonna lie to you, it's in your skincare routine. Your skin needs to be taken care of, okay? I get it if you have a condition and there's no way you can control the way your skin looks, but if you're sleeping with your makeup on or you're letting your skin be greasy and dirty all day, that's a big no-no. That's a big no-no. You need to take care of your skin, okay? You need to look at my skincare routine, all right? And follow that. And pray. Because we can't do crazy, all right? That's number one. If I'm breaking out, I use a little bit of toothpaste. I will usually put it on, go to sleep, wake up the next morning and it's smaller. I personally don't mind a little imperfection showing, but if you do mind, I would take a Q-tip, put it in your foundation, the smallest amount, you guys, this much. I'm not exaggerating. And I want to ever so slightly cover it. I didn't dump her in again. When I say very small, that's it. I don't think you need to cover every mark on your face because there's beauty in imperfection. The star of this show are your natural freckles, your natural marks, your natural God-given things. You want to take your eyebrows swoolly and you want to brush your brows out just to get them kind of at the arch that you want. I have Jamaican castor oil. I'll take my spoolie and in the cap there's usually always a little bit of oil in there. I use this because I like my brows to be shiny. I like them to grow thick and be healthy. So I'll just put it right onto my brows. So there we go. Here the brows are. No product on it, just oil. After I shape them, I will take a little tweezer. I'll tweeze them away. Now, they don't have to be perfect, but my hair is just very dark, so it'll look a little weird. Take off enough to where it's like, even if you put a little concealer on, the thicker hairs won't be peeking through. So when it's afar, there's more of a definition there. You guys, we're not doing anything extreme. Even though this is a no makeup look, I still give myself about an hour because I think when you rush, you might be a little bit too heavy-handed, and that's what we want to avoid at all costs. Brow pomade I use is Anastasia Dip Brow. It's either the color Granite or the color Ebony because my hair color is extremely dark black. If you have brown hair, blonde hair, choose the color that most fits your eyebrow. I dip it and then I like go on the side and I like brush it off. You want to start from the end. You don't want to go in to the center of your brow and it's like such a dark mark. I always start at the ends and let that be the most filled in and then let it be more sparse towards the middle of the brow. I will, you know, go ahead into the arch and start creating light strokes. If you don't want to have your brows have a shape, don't let it have a shape. But I like to have my arch have a shape. I'll fill in like the gaps. Like this part of my brow kind of had a gap. And I do a line horizontally. If y'all can see, I haven't dipped back into my eyebrow brush because we don't want it to be so dark. Like we're really trying to give a little natural look. So that's the brows, you guys. That is it. My spoolie again, since it has a little bit of oil on it, and I'll just go ahead and use that to really just blend it out. If I just got my eyebrows done, I won't even go and conceal it, but obviously my brows are going back a little bit, so I will conceal it. It's the Pro Conceal in Fawn. You use whatever shade best matches your skin tone. You guys will know best. And then boom, I go underneath. Less is more, and I'll blend it with my finger. You want like that little fleshy part of your eyes to show. We don't want to cover all of that up. Go in with your finger, and then I'll just dab it. 2 more steps, right? I use BH Cosmetics. It looks super messy, but this is a real life of being a girl. I'll use a Q-tip. I stopped highlighting my cheekbones really. I usually put a little bit here and then the bridge of my nose. Clear gloss, some lashes, babe, and a little bead, you're good to go. This gloss, you guys, from your beauty supply. I've tried almost every gloss. Dior, I've tried Fenty. This gloss is $1 and it is the best gloss to me. I always go back to using this. So this you can get at your beauty supply, rosehip oil. They have different flavors and stuff. And literally girls come up to me and they're like, your gloss is so shiny, where do you get it? Babes, beauty supply. This is the final look. 5 steps and you look put together but not overly done. And I really like that. I think less really is more when it comes to makeup. You're already beautiful, you're already amazing. You're just using the makeup to accentuate what you already have. This is usually how I leave my house, how I'll do my makeup if I'm going out. But your skincare is definitely really important. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna link my skincare video so you guys can go ahead and watch those. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Twitter. Tweet me, at me, DM me. I love you guys so much.